Also want to also diverge for 1 minute here again from the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. This year marks the 60th anniversary of the American, what I call terrorist Klan murders of 3 civil rights workers in Oxford, Mississippi.
Yes.
1 was African American, 2 were Jewish American. Last year marked the 60th anniversary not only of the assassination of President Kennedy, I was in 7th grade, but the murder of the 4 beautiful African American girls, each were only a year or 2 older than me, by the Klan at a church in Birmingham, Alabama. Move on here. I visited Jerusalem during each of my 7 teaching trips to Israel, even when my teaching was not in Jerusalem. I guess taught at Haifa University 3 times. In a group taxi I got at the Tel Aviv airport once, going to Jerusalem. I was seated in front next to the driver, and he asked me, "What are you?" He wanted to know my religion. Huh? Does it make any difference? That's the sort of question I used to get decades ago in New York and in the Midwest, where I went to college in 1970. And I went to college in Illinois and Missouri. What are you? What a strange question. Can't being an American be enough?
Yeah.
I've only been asked that once in Seattle by a child when I was waiting for a bus. The child's mother told her child to hush, that the question is racist. Interesting. During several of my Israel teaching trips in Jerusalem, I stayed at the St. Andrew's Scottish Guest House, which is affiliated with the Church of Scotland. A hotel desk clerk called a taxi to me one time, and I chatted with a Palestinian Israeli taxi driver. By the way, one used to say Israeli Arabs, but the more politically correct term nowadays is Israeli Palestinians. He told me some Jewish Israelis had thrown stones and rocks in his car when he was driving recently. I think he told me his license plate indicated his background, perhaps via what neighborhood he lives in. He told me, "All I'm trying to do is work and take people where they want to go. Why do they attack me?" Great question.